Hello everyone, I'm Jay Ranjit. Since my childhood, when I first heard the name black holes, it fascinated me a lot. And the first time I saw the black hole Gargantua in the movie Interstellar, I was mind blown. So, what is a black hole? A black hole is a region in space-time where gravity is so strong that even light cannot escape from it. At the center of a black hole, there is a singularity. A singularity is a point of infinite density and infinite gravity. That is, the gravitational potential of a singularity is infinite.
When a star, 3 times the mass of a sun or more, collapses under its own gravity, it creates a supernova explosion which results in the formation of a neutron star or a black hole. Black holes does not exist forever. Quantum fluctuation in space creates virtual particles which annihilate each other the moment they are created. When this process happens near the black hole's boundary, one of the virtual particles gets drawn into a black hole while the other one escapes from it. By this way, a black hole loses its mass to radiation, and this process is called Hawking radiation. Due to Hawking radiation, a black hole slowly evaporates and finally disappears. This one here is the first ever real image of the black hole at the MC87 galaxy. This part here is the event horizon, which is the boundary marking the limits of a black hole. So what happens when you fall into a black hole? When you fall into a black hole, you will be spaghettified. This is because your leg experiences more gravity than your head, which may cause your body to be stretched into the black hole like a noodle. But fortunately, if you fall into a supermassive black hole, you may survive through the event horizon. This is because supermassive black holes have a larger radius than other stellar black holes. When you fall into a black hole, time may seem to pass slower for you, while you may see the universe in fast forward, like looking into the future. Whereas, an observer far from the reaches of a black hole may watch you slow down as you get closer to the black hole. Suddenly, you freeze in time, slowly turn red, and disappear. This is because of the huge gravitational force around the black hole, which causes time dilation. The stronger the gravity, the slower the time passes for you. So, what happens when you approach the singularity, and what is beyond it? Well, no one knows for sure. There are many hypotheses, science fiction, and theories like the black hole Big Bang theory, initially proposed by physicist Raj Patria, which says that our universe exists inside the singularity of a black hole, and that singularity is none other than the Big Bang, which created our universe. When you fall into a singularity, you might even travel to the parallel universe, where you might even meet the parallel version of yourself.
Who are you?
Well, I am Ranjit.
Hey, but
Or else, you may not find anything there, because the laws of known physics does not exist beyond the singularity.
Stephen Hawking said that the human race has no future if it doesn't go into space. So, the only way for humans to find out what is in and beyond the singularity is to fall into a black hole and explore it themselves. Wait, you said something behind my back?
oh,